Google Analytics 4. So this one is all about attribution and really understanding your customer journey. So here's the problem this solves. Right now, if someone clicks on your link on social media, you might see that they click the link in Rebrandly, and you might see them convert on your website in GA4, but connecting those dots, that's been really hard until now. So with this integration, you can track link clicks right alongside website behavior in one unified platform. Everything's in GA4 where you're already doing your analysis. So you can build comprehensive marketing dashboards that show the complete picture. You can connect social links, show social clicks directly to conversions, and you can create retargeting audiences based on link engagement. So there are some use cases that I'd like to show you when it comes to reporting capabilities. You can basically get campaign performance dashboards where you can compare engagement across your channels. You get conversion funnels that show the path from click to purchase. You can build custom audiences for retargeting based on specific engagement patterns. And then you get proper attribution modeling so your Rebrandly links get credit in your conversion paths. This is about finally having that complete visibility into what is working. And so how this will look like in Google Analytics is I'm going to go to settings first. So what I really want to do is make sure that I have my tracking set up. If you use Google Analytics 4, it's just a little script that you have to add to your website, but you do have to take additional steps. What you're going to do is you're going to data collection and modifications in your settings. You're going to data streams, and then you create that connection with your website. There are some key items that you'll need to pull in this connection, specifically your measurement ID, and then you're actually going to create an API key. This is how we're going to make sure we're passing that data into Google Analytics 4 through Zapier. So creating an API key, fairly straightforward. Go ahead and click on Measurement Protocol API Secrets and just click create. You can see that I've already created one here. I will just copy and paste this value into my code, which I will have ChatGPT build out for me. So let's take a look at the Zap itself. So the automation. Again, we are going to use a webhook to trigger this event. And then we're going to do that same cleanup. So I'm running that same exact code that you saw in that last step. And then I'm going to run different code that will actually pass all of this information into Google Analytics 4. And you can see here that it is a low code solution. I haven't coded this. Again, I do not how to code. I do not know how to code by myself, but I'm only passing the measurement ID and my API secret, which I did pull from Google Analytics. So how this is going to look like if you need to have an LLM generate code for you is you're going to say, I'm creating this Zapier Zap where I want to pass this specific event. So this event is a Rebrandly link click, and I want to pass this event into Google Analytics 4. I want to pass the click data tied to all of this event, tied to this webhook event via JavaScript, and I need to pass my API key and that measurement ID that I showed you. And again, the wonders of AI will generate this code for you. All you have to do is copy paste, fill out your measurement ID and your API secret, and that's it. Once you publish this Zap, all of that information gets starts to run. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to my Rebrandly dashboard. I'm going to go to a link that I've specifically set up on my website. You can see that I do have UTM parameters here, like my source, my medium, and my campaign. And then when this link gets clicked, what is happening is that Zap is passing that webhook event into Google Analytics 4. So then when you are in Google Analytics, you can go back to your dashboard, look at your reports. Let me make sure I'm going to the correct area. Yes, your reports. And you can see that in my real-time overview, I can see all of this really cool data. And whoa, here it is, my Rebrandly link click. I can click on this specific event and see all of the different information that's getting passed through via that webhook call. So in Google Analytics, you will be able to use this data to generate your own sorts of reports and make the connections that you need. You can also see this under View User Engagement. It is going to be passed as an event. So you can see all of the link clicks that you've had over time and how that's connecting to your website, as well as any other actions that are connected to Google Analytics. All right, so that is the Google Analytics demo for you.